Today we are going to start new practical operation amplifier as a comparator. Aim to study the operation of comparator using operational amplifier IC741. Types of components used for this practical is IC741. Specification of IC741. Operational amplifier. Supply voltage plus minus 15 volt. Input impedance 2 mega ohm, output impedance 75 ohm, input offset voltage 2 millivolt, input bias current 80 nanoampere, input offset current 20 nanoampere. Equipment and miscellaneous use for this practical is DC regulated dual power supply plus minus 15 volt, tri-cell variable DC power supply, multimeter, digital multimeter. Offset null adjustment. Under no signal condition, when both input are grounded, the output should be 0. Output should be 0. If the output is not equal to 0, adjust the 10 kilo ohm potentiometer between pin number 1 and 5 so that the output becomes 0. Circuit diagram as a comparator with trip point shown in the circuit diagram. As per circuit diagram, circuit is assembled on breadboard by using IC741 and other components used for these circuits. Theory required for these components for this practical is a comparator is a circuit with two input voltage, non-inverting and inverting, and one output voltage. When the non-inverting input is less than the inverting input, the comparator produces a low output voltage. When the non-inverting voltage is greater than the inverting voltage, output is high. Maximum output voltage swing is normally 2 volt less than applied supply voltage. This is called saturation voltage Vset. For dual power supply of plus minus 15 volt, V saturation is equal to plus minus 13 voltage. V in is equal to V sat upon open minus loop voltage gain. For IC741, V in is equal to 13 upon 1 lakh, that is equal to 0.13 millivolt. In zero reference comparator, output operational amplifier is used without feedback resistor when the inverting input terminal is grounded and input voltage is above ground level. The operational amplifier is saturated. Practically, input voltage should be larger than 0.13 millivolt. When V in is greater than 0, V out is equal to plus V sat. When V is less than 0, V output is equal to minus V sat. And when Vi is equal to 0, V naught is equal to 0. The value of input voltage at which the output switches state high to the low or vice versa is called trip point or reference voltage of a comparator. Figure shows trip point is 0. In non-zero reference comparator, the trip point is equal to V reference when V in is slightly more than V reference. The output goes into positive saturation when Vi is greater than V reference. V naught is equal to plus V sat. When Vi is less than V reference, V naught is equal to minus V sat, and when Vi is equal to V reference, V naught is equal to 0. Applications of operational amplifier as a comparator. As a Smith trigger, as sine to square wave converter, as monostable multivibrator, as bistable multivibrator, as astable multivibrator. Lastly, the conclusion of this practical is operational amplifier can be used as zero reference comparator or non-zero reference comparator limit detector.